over 40 years, you've trusted Oxygenics to provide a quality shower experience. We've expanded our family of products with the Vitality Faucet to give you the same experience you've come to know and expect from Oxygenics. With graceful curves and simple lines, the Vitality delivers an elegant, sophisticated style that will beautifully complement your bathroom decor. We know that good looks aren't enough, it's what's inside that counts. That's why Oxygenics faucets feature premium materials for a lifetime of reliable performance, including ceramic disc valves that far exceed industry longevity standards for a leak and drip-free experience. Creating a beautiful, well-crafted faucet wasn't where it ended, though. The Vitality is ADA compliant, which means it's something everybody can appreciate. In fact, you could say this elegant faucet was thoughtfully built to the most exacting of standards. And because we weren't content to stop there, we've designed the Vitality for simple installation. We've provided everything you need for fast, trouble-free installation, including a quick connect and 2 stainless steel supply lines. We also supplied a push pop-up drain with no lift rod for a clean, seamless look. The Vitality is compatible with 4 to 16-inch 3-hole sinks for a customizable installation that works with almost any vanity. Oxygenics.
Simplicity is the ultimate sophistication. The Glyde 2-handle center set faucet from Moen. Graceful curves and a long spout reach enhance the look of the faucet while providing everyday functionality. Also available in widespread, finishes come in chrome or Lifeshine brushed nickel. And with matching Glyde accessories, you can fully coordinate your entire bathroom. Glyde faucets are built to stand the test of time, with Moen's limited lifetime warranty. Adding elegance to any bathroom. The Glyde Center Set Faucet from Moen.
The Logis single-hole faucet from Hansgrohe. Versatility for the bathroom is within reach. Experience the one-of-a-kind combination of quality and innovation that you only get with a Hansgrohe faucet. And with over a century of German engineering built into every fixture, experience the appealing and ergonomic design of the Logis single-hole faucet. Designed for your home, designed for your life. Experience Hansgrohe with the Logis single-hole faucet.